okra, lady's finger, is a warm season vegetable with numerous health benefits, easy to consume, easy to grow. Not only that, this is one of the green vegetables with the highest level of antioxidants. Growing and regrowing, that's one of the things always comes to our mind. Now, regrowing is much easier. From a single plant, we can grow many more plants. How to do that? This video clip, thanks to Mr. Veera in our group, took in his backyard garden. From a single plant, when you are trying to collect the seed, first of all, you need to keep it separately. Why I need to do that? I'll tell you the reason behind. Okra seeds harvesting, seed one must dry on the vine itself. It will begin to crack, you can split. This is the time we can remove it and twist them, so that, or you can split it into pieces, into a couple of pieces, so that seeds can be collected. Seeds will come out so easily. We can keep a bowl nearby because we don't need to wash them. Just keep them in open air for a few days, then store them in a airtight container. Some people used to refrigerate these seeds for many years, also even a couple of years. But I would suggest to use for the next season, because everyone's dream, grow, regrow. That's what. So for regrowing, always you need to look for where to get seed, how to get seed, native varieties. Now here it's so easier. Earlier I was telling about to keep these are the things I am showing the difference. You see the green one, the one which is you just split it into, show that how there is nothing. There are small black dots used to be there, which is the bigger one and the smaller one also. When you split, that's it. You can see that seeds. See, that's the reason why I am telling you to keep the bowl nearby, because it will fall, because it's easy to come out. It will come out so easily, and the seeds will fall in the ground. So if you keep a bowl, when you're doing it, the seeds all will be attached so easily without falling in the ground. Now, why I said need to keep need to keep the plant separately, because the pollination happens, and this is one of the plants easily butterflies, bumblebees, honeybees all used to come. Now the insect brings pollen from some other variety, because okra has a lot of varieties. Like if you are growing in your backyard, so many varieties of lady's finger. Now the pollinator, natural pollinator, will land on that in that flower and come back again. Like basically what you're trying to say, that it brings pollen from some other okra variety to our plants. The okra seed parts will contain the hybrids of the two varieties, mean mix of two varieties. This is called cross pollination. So the seed, the next session seed will have the variety will be so different, because it contains of two different or even three different varieties of. If you are growing in your backyard, many varieties will have that seed will have the qualities, because that will become hybrid seeds. This is the way even in the home itself the hybrid seeds can be made. That's a wonderful thing, isn't it? Now these seeds, if you look at the black seeds, when this more time if you keep it, actually it will crack, even the seeds will fall in. That time itself is so dry, because it's keeping in the full sunlight. And growing this okra itself, first of all you need to consider this it loves the full sunlight. At least minimum need to 6 hours of sunlight. Full sunlight is very important. The first harvest will be ready about 2 months after planting. We need to harvest when the vegetable is about 2 to 3 inches long. We can harvest this almost every day. That's a wonderful thing. We need to cut the stem just above the cap, because where it's fallen, like that, you can use a knife, you can scissor, because sometimes it will be too hard to even cut the part. So these are the things very important. When you are growing for seeds, some plant specifically, or like if you are allowing 1 or 2 plants, just leave it. That's it. This for seeds. Just try to be the healthier one, which is not to be in such a way that that it doesn't have any kind of thing, but it should be really good one enough. So you'll be sowing the seeds for the next season. Before that, you can soak the seeds in a water a couple of hours. That is good enough, and you have to make sure that it will grow stars and then you need to give the spacing about 1 to 2 feet apart, because it needs ample space to grow. It doesn't want roots to be disturbed. It grows tall also, so that space out rows for 3 to 4 feet apart, so that you can get a healthier and lot of harvest of okra. Now, other thing, after the first harvest, remove the lower leaves to help. This will help to increase the production. It means the speed of the production, because these are the elements also you need to consider. And as I said, it does need full well drained soil. That's it. Several all it matters: proper sunlight, fertile soil, well drained soil, and healthier harvest.